Hello students, as in the previous videos we understood about different types of cell organelles present in the cytoplasm of a typical cell. Now we can differentiate an animal cell with a plant cell. Number 1, animal cells are comparatively smaller in size while plant cells are larger in size. Cell wall is absent in an animal cell, while cell wall is present in a plant cell. Nucleus lies at the center in an animal cell, while nucleus lies at the peripheral region in a plant cell. Vacuoles are smaller in size and larger in number in an animal cell, while vacuoles are larger in size and lesser in number in a plant cell. Plastids are absent in an animal cell, while plastids are present in a plant cell. Centrosome with centrioles are present in an animal cell, while centrosomes as well as centrioles are absent in a plant cell. These are the few differences between an animal cell and a plant cell. Now we will understand about the process of cell division. Cell division is the process by which new cells are produced. That is, cell division is the process by which new cells are produced from existing cells. Cell division is of two types, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is the process of cell division by which most of the cells divide for growth. That is, by the process of mitotic cell division, new cells are produced for growth. In this process of cell division, a mother cell divides to produce two identical daughter cells. And in these daughter cells, the number of chromosomes are similar to that of the mother cell. Now, meiosis. Meiosis is the process of cell division by which cells divide to produce gametes. And these gametes fertilize with each other and produce offsprings. Therefore, by the process of meiotic cell division, cells divide to produce gametes, and with the process of fertilization between these gametes, offsprings are developed. Meiosis involves two consecutive divisions, and by the process of these cell divisions, four new cells are produced instead of two. In each of these new cells, the number of chromosome is half the number of the chromosomes present in a mother cell. Therefore, by the process of meiotic cell division, gametes are produced, and in these gametes, the number of chromosome is half the number of chromosomes present in a mother cell. These are the basic concept of the process of cell division. Now, the chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life, is completed. Now, you can solve all the problems present in the NCERT book first, and then make objectives from the whole chapters so that you can revise easily the whole chapter. Thank you for watching this video.